I'm just sitting here picking and thinking and what is your favorite aspect of lock picking? Is it the picking? Is it the tools? Is it collecting the tools? Is it collecting the locks? Is it learning a new skill? What is it that is your favorite part of it? You know what I'm saying? Like, is it just the fact that you can calm your mind sitting here picking some locks, or is it the puzzle factor? Is it the excitement of getting a lock you didn't think you were gonna get? Like, I had Labs on the other night, and he got his 7240 open, and we got it on video right during the live, and it got my heart pumping too, you know? Is it that? Is it that adrenaline rush? Is it, this is one thing I catch myself doing all the time, no matter where I'm at, what I'm doing, where I go, every door, every lock I walk by, I go, I could get into that. And not that I would, you know, because I'm not a thief, or that never even crossed my mind, believe it or not. But I laugh to myself as I walk by every door. All that type of stuff, I get a kick out of it, to myself. But I think my favorite is the locks, the different locks, the keys. I think that's my favorite. A lot of people can't do this, but I can picture things in 3D like it's really there. I can see it, I can feel it, I can smell it, and I take mental slices of these locks in my brain as I pick, and I'm seeing how the mechanisms move. You'll catch me a lot closing my eyes when I'm picking, and that's really calming to me. I don't know, it's such a weird hobby sport. whatever you want to, collection. I just want to know what is the thing that you're just like, that's it. When I look at it like a van key, I'm like, God, that is freaking awesome. Or like an M-Heart key, and I picture it spinning around and going through the slots, and the multi-lock. That's one of my favorite keys right there. And an Abloy, and all that. I don't know. What's yours? That's the question.